Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at a fantastic new drone that's shaking up the market, the Drone L300 PRO. This is a powerful, feature-rich quadcopter that combines professional-grade capabilities with user-friendly controls, making it the perfect choice for both seasoned pilots and those just getting started. Let's dive in and see what makes the L300 PRO so special. Unmatched safety and intelligent obstacle avoidance. First and foremost, let's talk about safety. The L300 PRO is equipped with 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. This is a game-changing feature that allows the drone to intelligently sense and navigate around obstacles in every direction. This provides a worry-free flying experience and significantly reduces the risk of collisions, allowing you to fly with confidence, even in complex environments. Professional-grade camera and stunning visuals. When it comes to aerial photography, the L300 PRO doesn't disappoint. It features a professional-grade 4K electrically adjustable camera. This means you can adjust the camera's angle remotely while in flight, allowing you to capture a wide range of shots from different perspectives. The 5G image transmission signal ensures a crystal clear, real-time feed to your device, so you can see exactly what the drone sees and frame your shots perfectly. Incredible performance and smart features. The L300 PRO is built to perform. It's powered by a brushless motor, which provides more power, better efficiency, and a longer lifespan compared to older brushed motors. The drone has a remarkable flight time of about 28 minutes and a cruising range of about 3 kilometers. This allows you to explore vast landscapes and capture extended aerial footage. It also has both optical flow and GPS positioning systems, ensuring a stable and precise flight, whether you're flying indoors or out. But that's not all. The L300 PRO is packed with intelligent features to make your flights more creative and fun. Gesture photo and video. Take photos or start recording with simple hand gestures. GPS following. The drone can automatically follow you, keeping you perfectly in the frame. Trajectory flight. Simply draw a path on the app, and the drone will fly along it autonomously. Fixed point circling. The drone will circle a subject, giving you incredible, cinematic shots. MV picture and video sharing. Easily edit and share your footage with friends and family. Portability and durability. The L300 PRO is designed for life on the go. Its arms can be folded, shrinking its size down from its expanded 343,110 centimeters to a compact 101,710 centimeters. This makes it incredibly easy to pack into a backpack or carry with you on any adventure. Despite its compact size, its robust construction ensures durability. Final thoughts: the ultimate all-in-one drone. The Drone L300 PRO is a remarkable piece of engineering that truly delivers on its promise of professional-grade performance and accessibility. Its intelligent obstacle avoidance, 4K adjustable camera, and long flight time make it an outstanding choice for anyone looking to elevate their aerial photography. Whether you're capturing family vacations or creating cinematic landscapes, the L300 PRO has everything you need. Thanks for watching. If you like this review, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and let us know what you think of this amazing drone in the comments below.